Here's I'll show you how to slow speed in Premiere Pro. So this is my video. Now I will show you how to easily make this video slow motion. First of all, I'm selecting the part where I want to slow my video speed and just pressing C on my keyboard to cut this part. And now I'm just right clicking on the second clip and here clicking on speed duration, and here speed I'm giving 50%, and then clicking on this frame sampling and selecting here optical flow and clicking on OK. And now I'm just adding or putting this playhead at the 0 second and pressing I on my keyboard and moving my playhead at the last of my video footage and pressing O. Now I'm hitting enter to render my video sequence just like this. Now I'm just playing my timeline, and here as you can see a perfect slow motion video.